Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of cascading style sheet. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheets, commonly known as CSS, is a crucial component of modern web development. It plays a significant role in defining the presentation and layout of web pages. Here are some of the key importance of CSS. Number one, separation of concerns. CSS allows developers to separate the structure, HTML, and presentation CSS of a web page. This separation enhances the maintainability and readability of the code base, making it easier to update and modify the design without affecting the underlying content. Number two, consistency. CSS enables developers to apply consistent styles across multiple web pages or an entire website. By using CSS, you can define a set of styles and easily apply them to various elements, ensuring a cohesive and unified user experience. Number three, reusability. With CSS, you can define styles once and apply them to multiple elements on the page. This reusability reduces the need for repetitive code, leading to more efficient and cleaner in development. Number 4. Flexibility and control. CSS offers a wide range of styling options, allowing developers to control the appearance of web pages precisely. You can adjust colors, font spacing, and layout to create visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces. Number 5, faster page loading. By separating the presentation from the content, CSS helps reduce the file size of web pages, leading to faster loading times. Smaller file size also benefit users with slower internet connections or limited bandwidth. Number 6, responsive design. CSS enables developers to implement responsive web design, ensuring the websites adapt and display correctly on different devices and screen sizes. This adaptability is crucial in today's mobile-driven world. Number 7, maintainability and scalability. As websites and web applications grow, maintaining and updating the codebase becomes more critical. CSS promotes modular and organized code, making it easier to manage and scale projects over time. Number 8, accessibility. Properly structured and styled HTML with the aid of CSS can improve accessibility for users with disabilities. CSS allows developers to customize the presentation while maintaining the underlying semantics and structure of the content. Number 9, print styles. CSS also facilitates the creation of print style sheets, allowing web pages to be optimized for printing. This ensures that printed documents are properly formatted and easily to read. Number 10, cross-browser compatibility. CSS helps standardize the appearance of web pages across different browsers, platforms. By writing CSS according to web standards, developers can ensure consistent rendering of various devices in browsers version. In summary, CSS is of utmost importance in modern web development due to its ability to separate concerns, improve maintainability and scalability, enhance user experience, and enable responsive design. Among other benefits, it has become an essential tool for creating visually appealing, accessible, and efficient websites and web applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of CSS or Cascading Style Sheet in web development. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.